Hey everyone, Loganetics here, and today the hotel I'm staying at in Aruba is testing the fire alarm system. So right here we have a EST SIGA-PS on a sounder base, Genesis remote strobe right above the door, and we have another sounder base. And there's the notice right here that says testing is scheduled for Thursday, August 1st, and will occur between 1:30 and 2:30 p.m. It's currently 1:29, so it might go off soon, but I'll start recording when it goes off. No sounder bases, but the strobe is going. No. Yeah, no sounder bases. They're either echoing badly or there's no sync. Or maybe each floor is on a different circuit. But yeah, those are loud. That was funny.